All right, next I'm going to do an example that has a number for a that's not just 1. So if we go down to this function here, y equals 2 times x minus 5 times x minus 1. A, in this case, is 2. And then p and q are the opposite of what we see, so negative 5 and negative 1 will give me p of 5 and 1. For the x-intercepts, they are again the points p0 and q0, so this would be 5, 0, and 1, 0 for this one. To find the vertex, we take p plus q divided by 2. Again, I'm going to do it in this space above, but you'll probably want to do it either on a separate piece of paper or on the margin somewhere. We would take 5 plus 1 divided by 2. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our x value for the vertex will be 3. Then we need to substitute that back into this function to solve it. So here we would have 2 times 3 minus 5 times 3 minus 1. So that would give me 2 times 3 minus 5 is negative 2 times 3 minus 1 is 2. So I'd have 2 times negative 2 times 2, and that will give me negative 8. 3, negative 8 is the vertex. For the axis of symmetry, 3 is the x value for the vertex, so that is also my axis of symmetry. And then for the y-intercept, the x value is always 0, and then we need to go back in and solve this for x when x is 0. So we'd have 2 times 0 minus 5 times 0 minus 1, which would be give me 2 times 0 minus 5 is negative 5, 0 minus 1 is negative 1. 2 times negative 5 would be negative 10, times negative 1 would give me positive 10. So I have 0, 10 as my y-intercept. Okay. The last thing I'm going to help you with on this page is this function down here, the y equals negative 4x times x plus 7. Here it looks a little bit different than the other ones that we've seen. If you pay attention to this x right here, it looks like we don't really have a p or a q for that one, because we just have negative 4x, not negative 4, and then x plus something or x minus something in the parentheses. When this is the case, this would be like having negative 4x plus 0 times x plus 7. So this is kind of what it would look like more normally in the intercept form. So this would give us a of negative 4, p would be 0, and q would be negative 7, because again, it's the opposite of what's on the inside. We have a plus 7. So I'm going to let you find the x-intercepts, the vertex, and axis of symmetry, etc. For this function. But I wanted to at least help you kind of figure out that we have p is 0 for this one.